You want to go to this one or the far lake?
No, right here.
Right here, this one?
See where the little hole is there?
Yeah.
Let's try that.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
This good?
That's good.
Oh, you saw the big catfish jump out of the water.
All right.
Alright. Grandpa, you want your cooler to sit on?
Get the cooler on out there. Oh, let's get it out. Oh.
I'll get the other stuff for you, or you got it.
That's okay.
Okay. Going fishing with my grandfather is really fun. Going to the farm is a great time. Watching my grandfather be in his own element, just sitting back, taking notes, and just spending time with my grandfather. Like, I don't even think it was really about us catching something. I think more or less is my grandfather's got some great stories to tell, and hearing those stories, a lot of the stories for the first time, and I think that's what fishing is all about. Is it's not necessarily catching something, more or less having the memories, you know? Your dad took you, or you went by yourself? Your dad took you?
I didn't hear you.
You said your dad took you?
Oh, no, my dad never did fish, man.
Yeah.
My grandmama taught me how to fish.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, she was about 90 years old.
When she took you?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know that.
Well, I'm telling you, we didn't have fishing cane like pole like this.
Yeah.
We in the wood and cut a long little straight called hickory. We'd trim the end of it real sharp. That way we could stick it in the bank. Once you come off your tip up there, you have to tie that line about halfway your pole, because a lot of them fish, those big fish will break it, you know? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I didn't know that, Grandpa.
Well, I'm telling you, that's the way we done it. I got it wrote down in a book at the house. Anything you need to know is in there. And Buddy did, we catch some fish. Ooh. This here's a new kind of cooler.
I don't even know what to say. It's not a new cooler, it's just a cooler, Grandpa.
Huh?
It's a cooler. It's a good little cooler.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's just one of them fancy ones.
Mm-hmm.
And Grandpa, watch that. Yeah, get it, Grandpa. Get him. You miss him again? He on there. He's on there. Let's go! Let's go, Grandpa.
Hey.
Let's go. Oh, okay. He gonna tangle you all up. Well, you better dance with him. With him.
That's all right.
Come on.
Out. That's okay.
You got it?
There.
Come on.
All right.
Let's go, Grandpa. Dance with your boy. Yes, sir.
You want to walk me down,
Yes.
huh?
You gonna get
Come
him?
out of that grass.
Hey, that's a good one, Grandpa.
I see.
That's a good one.
I know.
You know it?
That's
You know it? Oh, wow. Let's go, Grandpa. You got him?
That's all. I got it.
That's a good one, Grandpa. You know what you're doing? You need some help?
No, I got it.
All right.
If I deal with 25 pounds, you know I can deal with
Hey,
this.
listen, yo, I mean, it's the equipment, yo. You ain't using that stick you built.
Come on, give up, old man.
Come on, get her.
Give up. I don't ever put too much pressure on the line.
Yeah, I don't like putting a lot of pressure on them either. You know what you're doing. That's a nice catfish, Grandpa.
I know. Yep.